Emva kwezinyanga ezimbili uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ahlonza izingqinamba zogesi njengenhlekelele ebhekene nezwe, uhulumeni usevele wakhoxisa lokho. Uthi lesinqumo sezenhlekelele silekelele ngezindlela ezahlukene ikakhulu ezingeni lomasipala bezindawo.
By applying the disaster, you unlock quite a lot of things. Building of tankers into school by municipalities for the supply of water to learners. The same tankers to hospital for the supply of water to patients. Boreholes without necessarily following a process and even reviewing the budget for the supply of patients and any other. So it's not a disaster looking only at it, also had the word impact on health, social services and many.
Kanti iphini likaNgqongqoshe emnyangweni wezokubusa ngokubambisana uPaxtown lithi lesinqumo asiphoqwanga izinsongo zokumangalelwa enkantolo.
If we don't need a state of disaster, do we need to be in court? If you don't need the state of disaster, you don't then go and brief senior counsel to say, take me to court just so that we can be in court. It doesn't make sense.
Ngqongqoshe obhekele ezogesi ubeke kanje malungana nomthelela ozoba khona eScom ngesinqumo sokhoxisa isimo sezenhlekelele.
There are provisions that allows for deviations, and those deviations emergency, and also those deviations have to address the issues around the agency. If urgent action is not taken, there could be, if you like, a harm to critical infrastructure, and therefore you don't have to go through a competitive bidding process. That dispensation exists in the PFMA.
Nkadimeng uphethe ngokuthi bazoqhubeka ukusebenzisana nekomiti elibhekele ezamandla ukuxazulula izingqinamba zogesi.